Okay, let's finish up this process of laying glass, putting up the modules onto the rail systems by doing the finish and the last module. Let's go through the steps that finish up a row, okay? So let's do that. So the first thing we're going to do is slide the module over. Now, what we've done now is you've done your modules over to here. We've inserted a rail clamp in the top and the bottom, weighting it. Now, we've laid down the module. We've connected it to the optimizer, laid it down carefully, made sure that we didn't have any pinched wires, okay? So we're going to slide it on over so that it butts against the previous module. And then we're going to also slide it up so that that 12-inch mark lines up with the rail, so it's perfectly lined up. Then we're going to come along with our drill driver, and we're going to fasten one, and we're going to move it around here, and we're going to tighten up the other of that, so that now we have attached it so it's holding down both of these modules. We're going to finish up now by putting on the end clamps. Remember these guys? So there's the inverted sort of inverted bolt head with the bolt head in the bottom, and we're going to slide that in so that bolt head slides into the rail like that, and we're going to secure that with our drill and socket. Same thing here, slide it around. We're going to slide in another end attachment piece of hardware on the end, and going to come around here and be able to attach that with our drill driver. Now this is the real critical part of this whole assembly. This is why we made it a separate lesson, because what you're going to want to do now that you've fastened down all of the modules, you're going to want to go back over every single one of them and torque them with a torque wrench to the manufacturer's specification of the tightness of that mounting bolt. In this case, we tell you that it's to be tightened to 80 inch-pounds. That's given by a particular manufacturer. That's what you'd look up and you'd know. You'd set your torque wrench to that value, and you're going to click it here and apply that torque to that bolt. And then down here at the bottom, I show here again as well. I'm going to come in and touch it, click it, apply that torque. The idea is that you would do that for every single mounting hardware, not just a few, every single one. Top, bottom, left, right, every single one, all the way across. And then we're going to make life easy for you and say that we did the bottom row and that you would then, do the top row. We'll do that for you. We make your life easy. So click next. And now you've successfully installed the modules and you've torqued all of the attachment bolts.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.